Hello viewers, in this video we'll see how Formative can be used as a digital assessment tool. The first step is sign up on goformative.com. Click on I am a teacher. Then sign in with your Google account. After login, type your school name in this search box. If your school is not found, then click on Can't find my school. Type your school name, city, state or country. You can even give a short name how your students call you. On the checkbox, I agree to the terms of service, and then let's go. Click on the plus sign. Star represents all the premium activities which are not available with the free account. So the advantage of Formative is we can add our own content to this quiz. We can embed a particular information or add an image, a text box, a video, or a whiteboard can also be added. Similar to Google Form, we can add an essay question, short answer question, multiple choice question, multiple select question, true or false questions. The only differentiating feature is we can add show your work. Here, teacher can add a whiteboard to share the information, and show your work is similar to whiteboard, where for that particular question, student will be given a whiteboard to show their work. This adding content will be free for only 20 pages per month. Let's see one by one. I have added the embed code of my Quizlet flashcards, and I have pasted a YouTube link of a video. After pasting the YouTube link, you have to click on update and the video will be added. Now we'll add few questions. After giving the question and options, click on which is your correct answer, and it will be automatically graded for 1 point. If you want, we can change even the points. I have added an essay question, a true or false question, and a show your work question. And then we have to go for the next step, which is assign. If we have our students in this formative space, we can directly assign them to that particular class, or we can give it as guest students and then click on assign. Similar to quizzes, we'll get a random code. You can share this to your Google Classroom using the link, or we can embed this in any other platform. We can preview this as a student. So the first one I've added is a Quizlet flashcard set and then a video. And then we can see the multiple choice question, the essay question, the true or false question, and the show your work. So here I can write something or draw something. And I can give the answers here. As you can see, the responses will be shown live. This is the advantage of Formative. 4 free exports can be downloaded with the free account as Google Sheets or CSV. Thanks for watching.